Advice is a noun, referring to recommendations or guidance given to someone. For example, I need some advice on my career. Advise is a verb which means to offer suggestions or counsel to someone. For instance, can you advise me on what to do in this situation?
Here are some examples of how to use advice and advise in a sentence. Advice. I asked my friend for advice on how to get a job. The doctor gave me some advice on how to stay healthy. The teacher's advice was very helpful.
Advise. I advise you to talk to your parents about this. The doctor advised me to lose weight. The teacher advised us to study hard for the test.
Advice is something you give. Advise is something you do.